Hi guys, in this video I will show you a new way. I mean, it's not new, but since I asked you in a poll in the channel what would you like for a new video, and you said a new way to find niches, I'm gonna show you this way that is not new, but I think not many of you know it. Okay, I've been using this way a lot before there were tools, and it was so easy to get new niches ideas, especially trending niches and memes. Okay, I will show you 3 ways to do this.
The first way.
First, I will go to this site that is called knowyourmeme.com. Okay, I can leave this in the description. You find it there. But this site basically people upload in it all the new trending memes of the world. Okay, for example, I can sort it here by oldest. These are classic memes. Okay, you can sort by images, by videos. But what I like to do is sort by newest. Okay, for example, in this site, I found 6-7, Italian brain rot, all that kind of stuff before anywhere else, okay? So if you find new memes here that has potential, you have like a gold mine before anyone else, okay? Let's see, for example, this one. I've not seen it today, so let's say, okay, Punch Kit. What is this? High school Punch Kit. Punch size supporter. Okay, Punch key. Perhaps we go to the search and let's see something come. Let's see. Here is our results. Okay, Punch kit. Wow, you have results immediately. Just 2 results because this is fresh. This is interesting. Okay, I will download this, and if you wanna go deeper, you have to see the videos, read this. All the info, perhaps here are the links. This can explode. You never know. Also, I found it here. The penguin nihilist penguin, the one that says why. It was here before it went to Amazon. Okay. Here are about examples like Nazis. You have to be careful if the kid is trademarked. Don't use the real photo. Don't use words like Nazi or hippie people, or don't be aggressive. You see, here it was, for example, Cactua, one that was pending last year, I think. Okay, let's continue. I will go back again. The stimulus. Camila Parker, I don't know. Dan Slicer, Jester Goonin. Let's see this one, okay? Part of the series Jester Maxi. Alright, Jester Goonin. Let's see, find something in merch. Since not, for example, then you can go to Google and put Jester Goonin. Jester Goonin, Ulva Dictionary, attention seeking behaviors, and attempt. You can also go or hear this. I think that this one, part of series Jester Maxi. Jester Maxine is a slang term describing cotton chaotic. Jester Maxi takes over the internet and someone is making money. Okay, this has potential. Okay, wow, you have to investigate, go in deep. Let's go here. Let's search on Amazon. Okay, we have results here. Let's see, 34 results also. Only this is uploaded today. Okay, this is interesting. There are no buyers yet because it's too new. Okay, and then you can continue and just continue. You see, Logan Paul. This notebook is a very first Sabina computer gnome. For example, cortisol level. Let's see this one. Cortisol level, cortisol spike. You have to read all of these and investigate. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna show you how it works. Okay, let's go here. Purchase a level. Oh, wow, you see a lot of results. Let's see a DSR. Wow, it's silly. This is January 11, 6 days ago. Already a good BSR. This one also, a low competition. 359. You see, this works. Then what? Already we have 3 potential bestsellers, okay? This one you have to do it a different way because they are all the same, but it has potential.
The second way.
The next step is this site that I like a lot on YouTube that is called Mr. Tucker Explain Memes. There are many meme channels on YouTube, but this one is an example of one that I like. For example, this is the same way. I put here videos, latest, and let's go here. For example, this one was uploaded today.
Jester maxing, jester gooning, and the gif of a jester dancing for a queen. They're all connected, and they've completely taken over Twitter and TikTok.
This is the same that we saw before, Jester maxing. You see, this has potential because already in 2 sites they're talking about it. Okay, let's see. Asoprat, what is this? Asoprat leader, frame mobs playing. This was yesterday. Okay.
You've probably seen this clip before. It's a massive dude at an ASU frat party making Flavicular look tiny just by standing next to him. His name is Varys Galaj, and the internet just named him the ASU frat leader. Here's the story. Varys Galaj.
Let's search this word. Frat leader. Can be trending also. Party missile? Not really. Well, it is not there. You have to continue searching. For example, Joe, Irakot man equal. Numero 6, sorry guy, Mooseman. What? Let's see esto.
The Mooseman meme comes from a clip by TikToker JPlays127 playing GTA Online with another player. In the clip, JPlays.
Let's search Mooseman. Moose, Catarado do Sol, Pianimo. News arrivals. No, nothing here. And then the third way.
The third way. The third way. The third way.
That I talked before about it. Is going to Pinterest and search here meme 226. Let's see what we get here. Here we got memes from this year that I think are fresh. Okay, here you have to search a lot and find. For example, I've seen a lot this one. It's t-shirts, but it's kind of risky to use this. Okay, so what I will do here, if you wanna go this way, for example, is download this, and you can go to Gemini, put Pro, and ask Gemini to, for example, let's see, replace the doll for Arca. Let's see, but I have not done this before. Let's see.
Or with a raccoon.
Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. Here you have to try. This works for me. It works. It's kind of funny. The arm. It's kind of weird. Pics.
Lelep.
Okay, this is nice. You can continue exploring. Like, for example, you can put
Replace the cap for rocket.
This also works. It's very funny. I think I'm gonna use this. This works because there is a trend. I don't know if you know this. For example, with real style photos like this kind. You see, this is trending a lot. You can change raccoon for any animal, but if you change the setting and find a new trending setting, look at the BSR. It's setting a lot.
Let me search for a Bardi door coffee. Bardi coffee.
Here it is, the one I found. Let's see. Picked the bot last month, but I think it's risky because it's very similar to Bardi. Okay, but if you use a cat or a raccoon, it's very different. No risk at all. Okay, guys? I hope here's another one, okay? You can replace this one for cats or for possums or for rats. See? And let's see if it's Sally. Not great, but it's Sally, you see? Okay, guys, hope you like the video and it inspires you to find new ways always to search for trends, especially if you're in lower tiers, so that you can grow your account fast. Okay, remember that there is always cheap or free ways to find niches. I have been finding niches for more than a year without tools, and it works. And I never sold more t-shirts in my life. So I hope it serves as inspiration. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.